Hi all, welcome to the second part of identification codes. In the last part we have already seen what is an identification code, and we have seen there are 5 types of identification code, out of which 3 are already been discussed. And the fourth type of identification code is alphanumeric code. In this type of codes, letters and numbers, letter and number combination are used to describe an item. Letter and number combination, both are used to describe an item. And alphanumeric codes is again divided into 2 types: mnemonic codes and alphabetic derivation codes. First we will see what is a mnemonic code. We have already seen alphanumeric code as a combination of letters and numbers. So obviously mnemonic codes are also a letter and number combination. How this letter number combination is obtained? It is obtained from the description of the coded item. From the description of the coded item, based on some characteristics of the coded item, letter and number combination is formed. It acts as a reminder of the name or description of an item. When you see mnemonic code for an item, you will be reminded of the item. When you see the mnemonic code, you suddenly you can identify the item seeing the mnemonic code. What is this item? Seeing the mnemonic code, you can identify what is the item. Usually, mnemonic code uses abbreviations of item's name. Item, what is the name of the item? That abbreviation is used as mnemonic code. We will see an example in page 73. You can see a mnemonic code. And this is usually used as mnemonic merchandise codes to merchandise item. To code merchandise items. We are using mnemonic codes. Merchandise items example is a garment. Textiles will be having a lot of garments, so they need to give some codes for the garments. We will take the example of a textile shop, a huge textile shop. They are having a huge number of items, and they want to give different codes for each item. They can make use of mnemonic code. We will see with an example how using mnemonic code garments are coded. First 2 letters, we have already seen mnemonic codes are a combination of letters and digits, so letters and numbers. So we will see how a garment in a textile industry, a textile shop, how a garment is coded. First 2 letters indicate the merchandise. That is, what is it? A shirt? Is it a skirt? Is it a sari? Is it chudidar? Like that. First two letters indicates what merchandise it is. If it is a shirt, SH will be given. If it is a skirt, SK will be given. If it is a salwar, SL may be given. If it is sari, SR may be given. So based on the merchandise, first 2 letters denote the merchandise. The next is also a letter which indicate for which sex it is, for which gender it is. If SHM means shirt for male, SKF means skirt for female, SRF means sari for female, SLM means SLF means salwar for female. So the third letter indicate for which gender this garment is. And after that sex comes three numbers. First three was letters. After first three letters, first two indicate what merchandise it is. Then the third letter indicate for which gender it is. After 3 letters comes 3 numbers. What is the 3 numbers indicate? Numbers indicate the size of the merchandise, size of the shirt, size of the skirt, or size of the salwar, etc., etc. Next 3 numbers indicate the size of the merchandise. Then next to 3 are letters again. These 3 letters indicate the style. Is it a short sleeve? Is it a full sleeve? If a shirt is a full sleeve shirt is a half sleeve shirt, or whether the skirt is straight cut, whether the straight is wrap around, whether the skirt is box pleated, like that. What style the merchandise it? That is the 3 letters. Then comes another 3 letters, or the last 3 letters, which indicates the material with which this merchandise is made. COT for cotton, WOL for wool, POL for polyester, LIN for linen. So in any what is the material? Based on the material, the last 3 letters are given. So we have seen an example of a mechanized code based on mnemonic code, which uses letter and number combination. And this letter and number combination we have already seen. If SHM016DRS C0T is a mnemonic code for what? A shirt, for a male shirt. We have seen the mnemonic code for a male shirt. Again, you can see a mnemonic code for a female skirt also. In the textbook, their example is given. You can refer that example.